Today we have collected together for talk on little bit on growth hormone, and we'll be collecting data for growth hormone, and we may be making a publication for Indian children, and what are the effects of growth hormone on the Indian children as such. So I welcome all of you for here today, and we'll be telling if you have any questions related to growth hormone therapy or any problem that you had during the time taking of growth hormone. So I would like to address all that which I can, but I would like you to give me all the information we have got with you at present, so we can collect and make a good publication out of it on the children on growth hormone therapy in Indian children. So this is quite important. So I just want to address one more thing, that if we will individually have a talk with each of the group of people to tell you about how we had the influence of growth hormone on therapy. And what is more important, another thing I want to emphasize is that growth hormone was brought in the year long back, but the usage in India is still very less. So we would like to put it into paper what exactly is the help with growth hormone helping with the children. There are many of the parents who are here and children here who would like to give their opinion about the usage of growth hormone, what they felt, how the quality of life, the improvement in height, improvement in general well-being. So we will have their input also after this, after we have collected the data and all. So I welcome you all today for this occasion, and hope we will be able to get some data collected, and we will get your opinion for that other people who have some myths and who have misbelief about the uses of growth hormone. They will understand that whether growth hormone creates problem while using or not. So please, let's start with the proceedings. Thank you.